I'm here to talk about comprehensive sexuality education and what a critical component it has been to the Safeguard Young People program over the past decade. The flagship youth program of UNFPA for East and Southern Africa, the Safeguard Young People program, fosters multisectoral partnerships with governments, young people, civil society partners, parents, community leaders, and other UN agencies to build capacities to design, deliver, and monitor more effective CSC programs. This is done by advocating for the conducive legal and policy environment towards universal access to CSC to ensure no young person is left behind. Working towards institutionalizing CSC international systems has also been an important component, whether in the formal education sector for school-going young people or through community-based settings, given that roughly half of the region's young people are not in school, including the most vulnerable and marginalized young people. CSC directly contributes to UNFPA's strategic plan, global youth strategy, and transformative results in ending unmet need for family planning, ending preventable maternal deaths, and ending gender-based violence and harmful practices, and also for the additional regional result on ending the sexual transmission of HIV. So it is core to UNFPA's mandate overall and in helping young people realize their full potential.
The Safeguard Young People program has supported the implementation of this curriculum in Lesotho in particular. And as a result of that, the country was able to institutionalize CSE as a core subject that is delivered from grade 4 to grade 11. With a curriculum that is well developed, learners' books, and teachers' guides.
What's great about this content is it imparts life skills. Young people learn how to problem solve, they learn how to communicate much more effectively and build the skills in engaging in more safer sex behaviors.
Comprehensive sexuality education in Namibia is not a standalone subject, but it is incorporated into our life skills lessons, and this is taught for all learners from the grades of 4 to 12. And of course, we receive age-appropriate information when we enter our secondary schooling or upper secondary schooling. We then start to receive information on contraception, different STIs, and how to protect ourselves from them. And also in regards to family planning, which has allowed me as a young woman to choose when and if I want to have children, the spacing, and how to also best support myself in those circumstances.
UNFPA, a Malawi country office, we work with the district councils through the Ministry of Youth. And then it is the district councils that are delivering CSC. Like the Ministry of Youth, they have trained what we call CSC lead facilitators. These are the facilitators that are taking the CSC in their district level, going down in all communities.
With partners, the Safeguard Young People program at regional level has developed an array of teaching and learning materials for young people and for training teachers and facilitators in the content and participatory teaching and learning methods that are inherent to rights-based and gender-transformative CSC. These quality-assured resources have been adapted nationally and endorsed by government through consultative processes so that the key messages to young people are consistent among implementers and aligned to international standards. CSC has great potential to reach large number of young people over time so that they develop health-seeking behaviors and attitudes as they grow up versus the need for behavior change. CSC creates the demand for life-saving sexual and reproductive health services and is indeed a primary component of self-care. This is why we also aim to strengthen linkages and referral mechanisms between CSC and sexual reproductive health and gender-based violence services. With ongoing investments in programs like the Safeguard Young People program, the quality and impact of CSC will continue to improve and contribute towards the health and well-being of young people in all their diversity.